In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Fiverr and help you potentially earn your first $5 on Fiverr. If you're someone who wants to earn a little bit of extra money online, then keep watching because I'm going to show you my technique that I use to help me get my first sale on Fiverr. When you first go to Fiverr, you're going to see a page similar to this. Click Join and create your profile. Afterwards, click on Become a Seller and begin inputting basic information down. With regards to gigs, you want to create gigs that have a high search volume and some lower search volumes with low competition. For example, I'm going to create a gig to create YouTube thumbnails because I know it's a high demand and high volume keyword. Since I'm just starting out, I'm going to offer $5 as a starting point. Then write a quick description of the services that you offer. Make sure you include keywords in there. In this case, I'm making a YouTube thumbnail, so I'm trying to include that in the description as much as possible. Afterwards, upload some photos of your work so people can see what type of work you've done and your credibility. After that, you want to verify your phone number, and once you've verified your phone number, hit done and you would have posted your first gig on Fiverr. You want to create at least 7 different gigs. You can see here that I'm creating different types of gigs ranging from gaming to skateboarding. Okay everyone, it's been over 7 days and my gigs have been getting impressions but no buys yet until I started to do something different, and I'm going to share with you what I did to finally get my first sale on Fiverr. The latest gig that I created was I offered to help YouTubers who have been demonetized for reused content and repetitive content. And if you search YouTube reused content on Fiverr, you can see that my gig is nearly at the bottom here, so the chances of a sale might be really low. So I decided to go on Twitter and search up reused content, and I was able to find multiple YouTube channels with this reused content violation policy problem. I went to their YouTube channels and went to their About Me page to see if they listed their emails. If they did, then I would reach out to them through email with a script offering my services to them. I let them know that I run 3 successful YouTube channels and I faced this issue before and I was able to resolve it. I linked my Fiverr gig for them to purchase and attached my results in the email and sent it off. I sent the emails out to 8 people and 2 people purchased my gigs, so that's a 25% conversion rate. If there's anything that you can take away from this video, it's that you want to reach out to people and let them know about your gig rather than waiting for them to come to you. So is it possible to make money on Fiverr? I believe there is an opportunity in my opinion. If you thought this video was helpful, please let me know in the comment box below. Take care.